Hi guys, welcome back to Tactics Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about logo design with Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI tutorial. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you could create a logo using Leonardo AI. Now, what we're going to do is, of course, go over here on the left side under User Tools and simply open your AI image generator. Now, I'm going to show you two methods. We have a very straightforward method where you're going to simply put in a prompt that requests logo. Then the second method would produce amazing results by utilizing and taking advantage of the recent creations over here that is available for us to view and look. So let's go with the first method first. Let's go over here in AI image generation. Now, what we're going to be focusing on today's video is the prompt and the model. So the prompt is very basic. You're going to have to add the word logo. So simply say logo, then simply put in the subject that you want of let's say Fox drinking coffee. Then you could add some extra elements or extra information. You could say vector. Then you could even specify the colors. Let's say red and yellow color. There we go. And you could even say minimalist. You can add as much description as you want. And it is very important to be very descriptive of your logo because, of course, logo can be a very important part of a business or a brand. And not being too specific when generating a logo will allow Leonardo to be very creative and you might get some elements that you're not trying to produce. So it's very important that you add some specific details so that Leonardo would be able to produce the results that you want. So over here, we're simply going to click on the model as well. Click on select custom model. Now, under platform models, there are a lot of different models that is capable of producing amazing results. Now, depending on the output that you're trying to produce in Leonardo, the model would be different as well. But since we're going to be producing a logo, we would like to have a model that has a wide range of capabilities. And the most recent one that is able or is capable of generating wide range of different styles is the Dream Shaper version 7 over here. So simply select that, click on generate with this model, and it will automatically be selected. Now, if you don't want anything to be added to your logo, you could enable the negative prompt over here, and then you could enter the prompt that you don't like to see. For example, you don't like to see a tail, something like that. And then over here on the left side, the typical settings, you have your number of images, photoreal, alchemy, your prompt magic strike over here, public images, the size of your image over here. Let's go with a 1x1. Here we go. And just simply going to click on generate. And we will be able to produce 4 images at a time because of the chosen amount of images that we have selected. Now, let's generate this 2 times. The first one is like right now. The second time is we're going to make some revisions if you don't like part of it. And the third time, we're going to show you the method that I am talking about earlier. But there we go. We have your logo outputs over here. Now, you already have a very good one over here. I think this one is a really good output already. And you have your other outputs over here as well. A lot of them is really nice. So I don't think we're going to recreate this one. So let's actually change up. Let's add something else. So a logo of a cat, it said. Drinking coffee. Here we go. Then let's simply click on generate. You can see that it was able to already produce amazing results. So let's try it one more time for this one. We changed the subject to a cat instead of a fox. So while waiting for that, I'm going to tell you and teach you how you can create amazing results by using the outputs created by other people. As you can see, as you scroll down, there's a lot of amazing outputs and amazing style. And I know you could think of one of these styles that would look like a great logo. So for example, this one over here, this could look like a great logo. But what we're going to be looking for is something that focuses on one element. So for example, we have this over here. This could be a really great output. Or we could have something like this. So what we could do is we're simply going to copy the prompt. Let's go with this one over here. We're simply going to copy the prompt, this, and we're going to change the prompt itself. So over here, by the way, this is the output. I think looks okay. This one looks nice. It looks like the cat is behind the cup, but it looks nice. And that is how you will be able to do. You can change the different information if you want. But anyway, let's continue with this other one. So simply paste the prompt that you have. Then since the topic is a lion, let's go change this. So let's say a fox. Let's go with the fox instead. Then instead of a t-shirt art, let's go to say logo art. Then 3D vector art, cute, quirky, bright, colorful, black background, red and white colors, digital painting, low poly, bird's eye, symmetric, and I think that's good. Let's check out the negative prompt. Let's copy this one. Now the target output that we would like to produce is this one over here. So let's try and simply click on generate. Now we have our output being generated over here. Now we were already able to produce amazing results with our first few tries. We have this first try and second try. And let's see if we will be able to produce a good one on this one. And there we go. We have a very simple logo of a fox. It looks really nice. You can see the elements are captured nicely. I think the second one is the best output. There we go. And let's go look for another one that we could check out and demonstrate. For example, this one. We could copy this. Copy prompt. Go back here. Paste it over here. Centered isometric vector t-shirt repeated color free of fox. Drinking copy. So that's how you will be able to do it. Simply read through the prompt, look for the specific topic or the specific subject of the prompt, and change it to whatever option that you want. Then let's go check out over here. They have used Leonardo diffusion as the model. So simply look for Leonardo diffusion. There we go. And you can also enter the negative prompt so that it could be as accurate as possible. And after that, simply click on generate. And let's see the output that we will be able to produce on our second try for this second method that I have been talking about. So let's give it some time and let's check out the output that we will be able to produce. Now while waiting, let us recap. So the first method that you could do and go with is simply adding the term or the word logo in front and then adding the subject, of course, then adding as much description as you need. Specify the description so that Leonardo will be able to target and produce the results that you're trying to produce as accurately as possible. Now this depends on your prompt and your prompt generation. Now the second method depends on the output that you're really trying to recreate in this part over here, for example. And if you're trying to recreate, for example, this one, like I explained earlier, simply going to copy the prompt and paste it, and then you can simply modify it. So it's based out of the prompts generated by other people. And this is our output over here. I think it looks okay. It looks very decent and it can be an amazing output. And that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to create a logo with Leonardo AI. So if you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.